We'll guide you through how to stop the App Store asking for your password when downloading free apps on an iPhone or iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can get annoying having to go and enter in your password for free apps. There are different ways, so make sure it's this full guide and you can decide what way is going to work best for you. I'm just going to go and show you the example. I'll go and press get, and I'll then press install, and we're then asked for the password, which I don't want to have to do because it's free. So what we need to do is you need to come out of the App Store. We don't actually go and adjust the setting in here, come out of it as I've done. You need to go and navigate your settings. As you can see, there it is. You can always go and drag down and go and search for settings. We'll go and open it up. Go to the top and you'll go and see your Apple account there. And you want to go and tap on it. Now you need to go down and find the option for media and purchases, and you can go and tap there. In here, you can go and find the option for password settings. As I said, this is the first way. And then where it says free downloads, we can go and switch that off like this and go and press the tick. We can come out of here. And now we'll come back to the App Store and go and press get. I'll go and press install and it says done, and it'll go and start downloading. Alternatively, what you can do is we'll come back to our settings. You can go and scroll down, and you can find the option for Face ID and passcode and tap there, enter in your passcode. And instead of using your password, you can actually use Face ID. So I can go and switch on iTunes and App Store, enter in your password here. That's now switched on. And you can then go and use your Face ID to go and verify it. So it's not asking for the password. You can simply double tap, scan your face, and that's it.